Don, this has really been a very enlightening educational moment for me talking to you about mortgages in the market in 2024. What do you predict or what are you experiencing now with regards to 2024 as far as who needs a mortgage and why?
Okay, what I really see is a big surge in our reverse mortgage market, what we call HECM, home equity conversion mortgage. And that's because as more and more people retire, 10,000 people a day are turning 65. They're in the wrong house or they want to age in place and they need renovations and they own their home free and clear or they have sufficient equity. They need to pull some of that equity out to cover rising property taxes and rising insurance costs, or they're in the wrong kind of house. They need to right size, whether it's upsize or downsize. They want to be near the kids and the grandkids, but that new house is out of their price range. Well, with a reverse mortgage, they have increased purchasing power. They can buy that house and in retirement not have a required mortgage payment, which is all about cash flow, lowering their taxes, and increase net wealth. So a realtor that understands this market would be well advised to serve our senior community. I'm a certified reverse mortgage loan officer, and I see that as being the big boom in 2024. Thank you for asking that, Gary.
So I'm going to tell you, my hair on my neck bristled when you said reverse mortgages. Because I am of the generation where reverse mortgages were the mortgage of last resort. However, we had a president who was very wealthy and saw some tax advantages to people obtaining a HECM reverse mortgage. Could you talk briefly about that and how that might benefit, for example, not just a person who's destitute, but a person who's super wealthy and wants to take tax advantages?
Well, reverse mortgage has literally gone from the loan of last resort to the loan of first resort. When I have a high net wealth client, say worth $5 million, and I suggest rather than they're paying $1 million cash for the home, use a reverse mortgage, they say, I don't need that. Where that may be true, I agree with them. They don't need it, but they didn't get $5 million from leaving money on the table. And in a few short years, 3 to 5 years, they may have given up a $250,000 deduction. Cash is king. I can show you where a reverse mortgage will help in 95% of all scenarios.
So I want to take that another step. So you helped me with the customer with regards to a HECM and a reverse mortgage to purchase. And the concern the customer had was if I get a reverse mortgage, I don't have the right or the ability to leave this property to my kids.
No, that's another myth. You always own the property with just an average home appreciation of 4% per year, and the money you've pulled out in a growing tax-free line of credit and the savings of not making that mortgage payment, you actually could leave your kids a higher net wealth than if you just let them the house, which they don't want. So good question.
Thank you. So I think it's important for us as realtors to continue to learn more about reverse mortgages because they are not the loan of last resort. These are becoming the loan of high net worth individuals. And Don, I really appreciate informing us on this.
Thank you, Gary. I like helping our seniors. It's a good thing to do, and it's the right thing to do. So thank you.
You bet. Thank you.